Hey guys, this is Greg with Fit for Expedition Fun Seekers. If you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing. I'm really glad that you guys are here. Today we're going to be talking about our future, which is going to be living full-time in our box truck. One thing that we have found while we have been on our travels, mostly in Arizona but also in the deserts of California, is that we need shade. That's the one thing that you're really looking for quite often is shade. That is where this comes in. I received this package today from this company, WolfWise, and we're going to see what this is today. So I'm kind of excited to open this and find out what we have here. This is what WolfWise calls the beach tent. So let's open this up. It's fairly lightweight, which is a good thing. And it comes in this cool package. And there's the logo. But it comes with this package that's kind of like you know, the reflectors you put on your windshield. It's a little bigger than that, but not much. What you get with it is the tent, of course, and it looks like it has a strap here. I'm wondering if you pop this open, if it just, you know, expands. We'll see. Anticipation. Okay, in this bag you got stakes, tent stakes, so I guess, and some cable to hold the stakes to the tent. And there's the tent. Let's see how we can set this thing up. Wow. It's already up. Now you can see it's kind of a ramada. Gives you shade, but you can zip it up from both sides. It's a nice shade tent. You can lay down. You know, I could even see sleeping in this when the weather's nice. Sometimes the weather's nice, but it's not that cool inside the truck. It has a frame inside already. It's already in there, so when you put it away, it's still in there. You take it out, you set it up, it just pops right up. The zipper works really well. I zipped up the other side, and then this side just zips up like that. But the other side has a flap that you can actually see. Let me show you.
Okay.
The other side you can do this. So this is probably the point where you would access more, right? Or maybe just open it for a breeze.
And it opens. The bottom is open too.
Right, can you open that? You can hook that up, but
yeah,
this you can just have a breeze coming through. Like
well, you can make it basically like a big umbrella cover sort of thing. Just
right.
having the top.
Ramada.
Yeah, Ramada. Yes. That's cool.
This side. Like that. You know what? This would work really well also for a shade for a pet.
I know.
For like a dog that you're trying to, you know, keep around. You don't want to let it take off.
Yeah.
But it's got these windows. So
yeah.
You can let the air in, and it's got shade. This can roll up.
Oh, Oh, that's cool.
And then these go here, so you can leave it open. Kind of thought of everything.
It doesn't, yeah, and it doesn't seem like you have to mess around too much with it or
Yeah.
have a lot of experience setting up a tent. Which...
No, because we're doing this off the cuff. We have not tried this and then filmed it again. This is the first time. It's got a similar toggles, and so that's Velcro. But you can roll that up.
You could do it. Is it meant to have a chair? I guess you could if you wanted to.
You could if you wanted to, but I think it's more like, you know, put some beach towels down because it's supposed to be a beach tent.
Yeah.
You know, but you can put a packing blanket down.
Yeah.
Make it pretty comfy. So how does that window work?
It's good. It blacks out a little of the sun, but the sun's really bright there right now, so this is nice.
Now you can roll that up, right? And then
yeah.
you can roll that up and then use these toggles and the straps to put it together.
I'm gonna roll it up this way.
Okay.
Because I like the blue.
Okay. Yeah, it is nice blue.
Like the,
it is a nice color.
yeah, I mean it is for, it's got like, definitely has a beachy color. That's good. Keeps it out of the way if it's kind of like, there's wind in here.
And how is it right now? Because it's raining. So how is it in there?
It's good.
We're actually getting a little bit of rain. And
not me, because I'm in the tent.
Hey, Kelly. But overall, it's pretty good. It's a pretty nice tent.
It has a little hook up here, which is nice. Because like a lot of people have little tent lights or something. Like we have that one that's just a little, has a little hook on it.
And there's other variations like lightweight lanterns and things like that.
I'm sure that's obviously what it's for.
Uh-huh.
So, and it's sprinkling outside, but I'm not getting wet, so.
But it's not sprinkling inside.
It's not sprinkling inside.
I actually think it would be a pretty nice little beach tent for in the sand. It's kind of like a little cabana where you could just kind of hide out of the sun. And that's what I was saying at the beginning of the video, is we have found that we need shade.
This is a really good place to put your dog's bed, that's for sure. Because
Mm-hmm.
we've had problems with that, and I know other people have too, trying to put up something that'll keep them from laying in the sun, but being next to people. So you can move this next to people because it's not that big easily if you move to a different area or setting something up. So that's good.
The tent comes with instructions sewn into the cover for putting the tent away, and it really is this easy. One thing that we particularly like is that it is compact and it stores very easily.